Alright everyone, today we have a Lowheat mega unboxing, a holiday sale unboxing. This is for all you true, sneaker people, fashion people, connoisseurs of just good shoes. This is the unboxing for you. Thank you for checking this out. For all you thrifty people looking for a deal, looking for a steal, we got some stuff for you to unbox. We will get to a pair of shoes at the bottom of this box. Real quick, a little pre-main course appetizer. I did a little holiday sale shopping at Extra Butter. They had a lot of stuff on sale, and then they had a discount code on top of the sale stuff. So I picked up a few items. Let's take a look at them real quick. We'll get this big giant box out of the way, and then we'll get to, don't worry, we'll get to the main thing here. These, which I'm excited to open, try on. Yes. Have way too many shoes. Don't need any more Lowheat, but could not resist these for the price. So we'll see if it was worth it, even though they were cheap. First off, though, we got a pair of Nike ACG dry fit shorts. So here they are. Really great color. Wearable forest green color. ACG all conditions gear, meant for hiking, camping. It does seem that this is a little bit more durable. Sometimes with these like running shorts, they have such lightweight fabric, they're not going to stand up though to sitting on logs or rocks. This looks a little bit more durable material, so you can sit on the ground with these and not worry about ripping or tearing them as much. These still aren't quite as durable as some ACG hiking shorts and other hiking shorts. They are lightweight, so I don't think these impenetrable by like sharp sticks, thorns. I think we'll still snag these for sure, but in general these will be lightweight but will hold up a little bit better than your Lululemon yoga shorts. We got a liner on the inside. Excited to give these a whirl. The hell's New Sands? Is that a brand? I don't know. Excited to give these a whirl. Got zip pockets, which is great when hiking. Snap button back pocket, drawstring to cinch. Real great pair of shorts. All right, what else we got here? We got an ACG top. Lately in life, I have so many wild, crazy graphic tees, different colors. I've really been trying to beef up I'm getting older. My adult black t-shirt. Not black t-shirt, I have tons of black t-shirts, but black with simple logos. So I picked up this ACG t-shirt on sale. It's heavier weight, it's just small ACG logo, embroidered logo on the front. I've just been picking up more and more gray, charcoal gray, black, simple t-shirts. Just not because I like them more, just I feel as I get older, I just need more mature tastes, options in my closet, and not as many Travis Scott tees for an late 30-year-old. And I like this one, so it's with a heavy heart that I'm buying these, but I do like that shirt, and they are more versatile. You don't have to think about as much as what you're throwing on when you have a bunch of those. So it makes sense for me. If you want to disagree, please talk me out of buying more adult clothes. I would listen. This is, I think, a ACG shirt I got for the lady, low crop, or a cropped kind of wide boxier shirt. I probably shouldn't have opened this since I'm going to give this to her as a gift, but I want to show you really quick. I'll show you guys really quick. Heavyweight material. She also likes camping and hiking, so here's the embroidered logo. I kind of prefer the all black to the orange hit, but they didn't have that for the guys, at least on sale that I was aware of. So kind of a thick collar. I really like it. I think she'll like it. I think she'll look good in it. Also on sale. And then I have so many air quotes vintage, kind of vintage 90s camo tees that I bought on eBay. But I couldn't resist when Nike SB does their own, following the trends. They're trend followers. Also, I couldn't resist getting a Nike SB one with real tree camo. Maybe a little corny. I don't care. I've been hunting. I don't know how many of you have who own camo gear, but I feel like it was weird going back back to the middle of the country where I'm from and some other places, people wear camo just as not as a fashion statement. It's just that's their wardrobe. And so I always want to be different. So I never wanted to wear camo growing up because where I'm from, just people wore it, again, not to make a statement. They have camo hoodies and that's what they're wearing to out and about. So I never wanted to be like them. Out here in California, LA, I know it's trendy to wear it, but I feel a little bit more entitled since I'm from that world. I have gone hunting before in my life, so I feel like it's not just a fashion trend for me out here. It's weird how that works. Anyways, there's the logo. It's kind of this dry fit material, synthetic polyester blend. I think it's all polyester. But yeah, just couldn't resist, especially when it was on sale. It wasn't $50. It was like 24 or something like that. Low 20s. So we'll see how that works out. Good workout shirt. All right, on to the main event. Thanks for sticking out this long if you have, or if you jump forward, that's just smart of you too if you don't want to watch the other stuff. What do we have today? We have the Nike Air Pegasus 83 Premium. I got these in sale and coconut milk. Size 11.5, that's my size. We'll see if it works. I think these retail for $105. I got these on sale plus discount code from Extra Butter. Shout out Extra Butter for $47. Under 50. I feel like that's free essentially. I couldn't not get these. Yeah, these came out. Pegasus came out in 1983. You can't unload Lowheat at all really for price or make any money. So I'm trying to downsize, but at $47, I couldn't resist. So yes, the Pegasus came out in 1983. I assume they're branding these that because it's got the similar shape to them. So let's take a look. $47 for a premium pair. These are very nice. Wow. Now that is a clean shoe, right? For $47, how can you say no to that? I couldn't. Maybe, interestingly, call these premium. It's all canvas upper except for the swoosh. I won't say that's premium leather. It looks thin, a little cheap, but you get an extra set of laces. And this is wider gauge canvas on the toe box, thinner stitching on the upper there. Got 2 pairs of laces. I really like that mint color lacing right there. I think that just sets it off, makes it pop. Nice little color pairing there. You got the sail and the off-white cream, and then that pop of color there. It's kind of a pastel green. I really like it. Hit from the orange Nike. On the inside, you got certified fresh. This is part of the kind of their certified fresh line. Maybe that's why these are premium, as all the certified fresh shoes are, I think. But yeah, these are really, really fresh, for lack of a better word. Good branding. Yeah, these came out early in 2022. Yeah, that's why these are on sale, deep sale. I remember these coming out earlier in the year. Last low heat pickup of the year for me. And I don't know how much low heat I picked up this year, but $47. It does, now when you look at it, this is, a shoe that came out in the 80s. Retro shoes are popular, they always will be. Classic silhouette. You got kind of the waffle outsole here, foam, multiple layers of foam on the midsole, rubber waffle outsole. I would be very hesitant to pay the full $100 for these, but half off, over half off, I'm game to spend that money. Let's put these on, see how they look. I don't think you can go wrong with these. I think like anyone who likes, Sambas, kill shots, Chuck Lows, this might be a more comfortable version because you got more layers of foam here. So these Air Max Tailwinds are kind of my everyday coffee getters and walkers. As you can see, they've been beat a little bit. They have plenty more life on them, but you can see on the where the sole ball of my foot hits, the tread's been worn down. So not quite time for these to go. A lot of life left on these, but just, kind of want a fresh pair. I've been wearing these so long. I have so many shoes. I just, gotta mix it up. And so these might become the new coffee getters. These go just, yeah, we'll go with anything. At that cheaper price point, I don't feel as bad adding to my collection. Again, it's like, I don't want to sound like I'm rich. I am definitely not. And 47 bucks to a lot of people is a lot of money. I get that. I'm just saying, when you're paying $225 for some shoes, 47 is like, it's free. So, interesting on the fit here. These do feel a little tight around the upper. They do feel a little tight around the upper, but excuse me. Toe room is good. I will probably be lacing these loose. You can see, yeah, they really hug my upper. I'm not even standing, but I have plenty of toe room. So that's what I would say. I would not go a half size down in these at all. Do not be swayed by the cheap price. Go true to size. I really wouldn't go half size up either, because with this amount of toe room, I wouldn't want much more than that. I mean, I guess since you're paying so cheap, you could if you wanted to, but here's the cream laces. Those would look nice too, but I like since it's such a plain shoe, an old retro silhouette, all canvas, I like the pop of color there with the pastel mint green. What, did they give it a proper color? No, coconut milk. Sail and coconut milk. I like the green laces. I think you guys would agree with me too there. So yeah, I'm gonna lace these really loose probably, and not do the tie thing. Do this thing and make these slip-on shoes. But yeah, can't go wrong with those, right? For 47 bucks, classic silhouette from the early 80s, 1983. I don't know how premium they are, but again, I didn't pay premium prices, so I don't feel bad. You kind of got this typical, what is this on the collar? This same material you get on some Dunks. Not as shiny, but you get this material on the collar of a lot of shoes from Nike. Yeah, I'd be interested to see how comfortable these are. Walking any great distance. But these are for sure great by-the-door slip-on shoes. You don't have to worry about getting them dirty. They're just canvas, cheap. I think this is, if you can get these for 50 bucks, I think it's a buy. So, in Lowheat endorsement here. You heard it here. Lowheat endorsement here. Nylon tongue. No exposed foam. I'm kind of over that. Unless it's from an OG thing from Off-White, the kind of the purveyors of that, or Union. I'm over the exposed foam. So I like that it's a from the 83 version where they didn't do that. I like the closed off stitching there. I think these are great. I really think these are great. Let's see. Definitely I think the silhouette itself gets a 7. This type of canvas plus these laces, I don't know on comfort. The fit on the foot, I need to break these in a bit. These will need some breaking in. I'm going to lace them loose. It's kind of unfortunate I have to do that. They do look a little oddly shaped. So not perfect construction for me. Not as in, it's more of a design thing, I think, for the shoes. Again, you're dealing with an older model, so they don't have the foot technology that they do nowadays. And people have grown over time. I think we give these a 7.75. Yeah. High 7. Sorry, I'm sick. If it sounds like I'm dying, it's because I'm sick. Let's give these a high 7. Let me know what you think in the comments. Please subscribe. More Lowheat coming up soon. More unboxing coming up soon. Going to add some different types of videos. But I like these. I'm okay spending 50 bucks on these. Wouldn't want to spend 100 though. All right. Please subscribe. Hit that button. Do it. Psh, done. It's free. And I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.